Hey, I hope you're doing well. This is going to be another brief video on how I put together an outfit starting with a certain piece. Usually, when I start putting together an outfit, I start with a top, but this time I actually started with this pair of mustard pants. Now, because the color of these pants is quite bright, my first thought was to pair it with something black, and that would have worked, but then I thought that the warmth worked really well with the warm tones in leopard print. So I paired the pants with this top that has leopard print on the back and this just fun design on the front. This look is slightly edgier, but I think the neutral color palette of the top still works with the bright color of the pants. Finally, I added a bit more leopard with a pair of leopard print ankle boots. By the way, I don't know about you, but I actually find printed shoes a little bit harder to style. So the easiest way I found is to continue the print somewhere in the outfit, like I did with the top in this one. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Be you, always. Bye!